old Jan Steen, all of them giants of shadow and light, but no one was like Vermeer. Some paintings smell of joy and sweat, some paintings plain look so fine. Some paintings are sad and passionate, but Vermeer sends a chill up your spine. Yeah, Vermeer sends a chill up your spine. Oh, Vermeer was eerie, Vermeer was strange. He had a more modern color range, as if born in another age, like maybe 100 or so years ago. What's this, a ghost in the gallery? Great Scott, the Martians are here. These strange little paintings next to the others. No one was like Vermeer. Vermeer was eerie, Vermeer was weird. He had his own way of doing things with the paintings from another era, another era.